everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about winter and winter lipsticks. As you guys can see, I have not worn any kind of lipsticks on my lips. So I'm going to show you my top 5 winter shades which I absolutely love wearing in winters. They are mix of burgundies and maroons and nude shades. So yeah, if you want to know which lipsticks I really love wearing in winters, keep on watching. Yeah, so winter is all about that bold shades for me. So I usually prefer wearing bold shades on my lips, and at times I prefer wearing muted shades. So I keep the balance between muted shades and the bold shades because you cannot wear bold shades to office. So what I usually do is I always keep one bold shade with me and one nude shade with me, so I can mix it up and mute down the bold shade on my lips. So first, it's this one. It is Nykaa's Metalicious Lip Crayon in the shade Lacy Luck. This is how it looks. It's very pretty brown shade, and moreover what I like about this is it glides on very smoothly and it doesn't dry out my lips. It turns into a matte finish, but it doesn't dry out my lips. I prefer crayons over the liquid lipstick uh, any day, or bullet lipstick. So you guys will see more crayon and bullet lipsticks on my channel more than the liquid lipsticks. So yeah. Another shade is also from Nykaa. This one is Nykaa's So Creme lipstick in the shade called It's a Date. I really enjoy using this shade because it's quite creamy. It does not dry out my lips, and the shade is also very pretty, and it's not even patchy. This is how it looks. It's quite beautiful shade. It's exactly same shade as the t-shirt I'm wearing right now. So I really prefer this kind of shade using in fall winter season. Another lipstick is this one. It's a Faces Canada's Ultim Pro Crayon. It is really beautiful, pigmented, and gorgeous shade range as well. This is the shade Not So Wine 1313, and I have purchased these shades in mini version which they recently launched, because I feel I buy so many lipsticks that I don't end up using all of it, and I waste so much of the lipstick and I have to throw it away because of the expiry. So I will have now switched my purchase to mini versions in the lipstick instead of buying the full size one, because I doubt anyone can finish up the entire lipstick. I have finished one or two lipsticks in my lifetime. So this is this shade. It's quite similar but a little deeper than the Nykaa one, and it is also very smooth and creamy but dries out matte. And what I like about this crayons is that they leave a beautiful tint on your lips. Whenever it wears off from your lips, it leaves a beautiful tint on your lips that you don't need to keep on touching up on your lips, and it doesn't even dry out, and after a certain point you don't even feel you are wearing anything on your lips. Next up is this beautiful lips shade from Revolution Pro. It's really deep burgundy shade. I really love this shade. It's a little patchy, but if you apply it properly, it stays there on your lips for such a long time. It's a bullet lipstick, but it's matte and stays forever. So I really love this shade and I really enjoy using this shade as well. It's the shade number Insanity. Pro Supreme lipstick in the shade Insanity. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it's quite deep. So yeah, I love this shade. Do you see? This is such a vampy shade. All you have to be careful about for such kind of shade that uh, you should use liners along with it, nude liner or the same shade liner, but use it because actually it makes a lot of difference. And the last everyday kind of shade is this one. This is Flower Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade Soft Berry. It's such a pretty shade. You can wear it every single day to your office, and it is gorgeous. It doesn't dry out your lips, it stays there on your lips. In fact, when you apply this liquid lipstick, you don't feel you have anything on your lips. It's that comfortable. So, this is the shade. It is such a pretty shade. I always feel that this shade is my lips but better kind of a shade I love. And all of these lipsticks are under 1,000 rupees, and it's not that expensive as well. So if at all you want to buy, I will be providing the links in my description box. It will be the direct link to the products, and you can select a shade whatever you prefer. uh, all of these lipsticks have a wide variety of the shades as per your liking, your skin tone, and weather as well. So yeah, these are my favorite five lipsticks for winter season, which I wear it quite often. So yeah. So, if you want to see more of such videos, then hit that like button, comment what kind of a videos you would willing to see on my channel, and subscribe as well. It costs nothing to you. So, yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.